Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a DIY on this shirt.
Killers moving silent. Ayy, pop out, nigga, we can rock out. You ain't seen no ends, they used to laughing now, up now. Fendi cost 1,040 racks to break her back down. Bitch ain't seen no money when she leave, she get a pat down.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a DIY on this shirt. I saw it on another YouTuber's page and I was just like, hey, why not try it? So basically what I did, I put two different shirts, cut them up the middle, and sewed them together. It wasn't that hard. So this is the front, and then this is the back. And if you are interested, you know, just keep watching. But also please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn those notification bells on. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you haven't already, just please like, comment, or subscribe. Turn the notification bell on. Now we're gonna talk about the shirt. So, only thing that I would do different is probably try to fix this up here. So I'm just gonna put it back in the sewing machine and do a forward and backward stitch on it, which shouldn't take much. I did have a hole down here but you really can't see it because I went ahead and fixed that before I came on camera. Yeah, it was a pretty easy DIY. If you want to see something else, please just comment below and I'll try to do that as well. Thank you and keep it cute.